Most people don't delay investing because they lack money. They delay because they think they need more money. And that belief costs them years. If you're waiting to start investing until you feel ready, you're already behind. Not because you're poor, but because you were taught the wrong idea. In this video, I'm not going to tell you how to get rich fast. I won't talk about hot assets or quick returns. Instead, I'll explain why you don't need much money to start investing, what actually matters at the beginning, and why starting small is often the smartest move you can make.
Most people grow up hearing the same story. Investing is for the rich. You need capital. Wait until you earn more. So they wait. They get a better job. They get a raise. They still wait. Not because they're lazy, but because they believe starting small is pointless. But that belief confuses investing with making money fast. Those are not the same thing.
Here's the mistake beginners make. They think the goal of investing is profit. So they ask, how much can I make? Is this worth it? What's the return? But early investing is not about profit. It's about learning how not to lose. And that lesson is much cheaper when you start small. Think about this for a moment. Imagine two people. One waits until they have enough money. They spend years watching videos, reading advice, waiting for the perfect moment. The other starts small, not confidently, not perfectly, but consistently. 5 years later, the difference isn't money, it's experience. One knows how they react when markets move. The other is still guessing. One has already made mistakes. The other is still afraid of making the first one. Starting small does 3 important things. First, it teaches you how markets actually feel. Reading is one thing. Watching your own money move is different. Second, it reveals your emotional behavior: fear, greed, impatience. You don't discover these by watching videos. You discover them by participating. Third, mistakes become affordable. Small mistakes teach big lessons without destroying your confidence.
Let's be honest. Starting small won't make you rich. Not quickly, not impressively. But starting big without understanding often makes people quit forever. Many people don't fail because the market is hard. They fail because they entered too fast, with too much money and no emotional control. Small investing isn't about growth first, it's about survival. People overestimate money and underestimate time.